Are you looking for some new design ideas to transform your small living room into a cozy and stylish space? In this video, which is the third part of the video series Modern City Living, Small Living Rooms, New Design Ideas, we will show you how to make your small living room look bigger, brighter, and more beautiful. Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel where we share the best design ideas for modern city living. Whether you live in a studio apartment, a tiny house, or a dorm room, you will find some inspiration and tips to create your own cozy and stylish space. You will also see some real-life examples of small living rooms that have been beautifully decorated and organized. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Let's get started. The compact living room from the image is designed with a neutral color palette of white, light gray, brown, and natural wood. The furniture includes a light gray sofa, two brown armchairs, a wooden coffee table, and a small black side table. The white walls and large windows create a bright and spacious feel, while the parquet flooring adds warmth and texture. The decoration consists of black and white pictures on the wall above the sofa, decorative brown and cream colored pillows, a light gray throw, vases with plants, a light gray area rug, white curtains, and a pendant lamp. The result is a cozy and stylish living room that maximizes the use of space and light. Let's see now a small corner apartment that features a long and narrow open space that combines the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The small living area is beautifully and stylishly furnished and decorated with low-profile, modern, and high-quality furniture, well-chosen decorative accessories, such as large modern painting, vases, and books on the coffee table. Soft pink walls, transparent drapes, and brown curtains add color, textures, and personality to the space. The apartment also has large windows that let in natural light and offer a stunning view of the large garden. The result is a cozy and elegant small corner apartment that makes the most of its limited space and location. The small corner living room from the image is a cozy and modern space that features a comfortable light gray sectional sofa, decorated with decorative pillows in light gray and dark blue colors. A modern armchair, a stunning coffee table, a side table, and a floor-standing lamp complete the sitting area. A light gray area rug adds warmth and textures to the floor. The huge floor-to-ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light and offer a beautiful view of the outside. Transparent white drapes add a touch of elegance and privacy. A large potted plant brings some greenery and freshness to the room. The result is a small corner living room that is inviting and stylish. Let's step now into a small corner living room, a bright and spacious space that features large floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides and a large opening to a beautiful balcony. The windows and the balcony offer a gorgeous garden view that adds nature and color to the room. White, thick, and long curtains provide privacy and elegance. The hardwood floor creates a warm and cozy atmosphere. The furniture includes a modern sofa and armchair with round edges, a round-top coffee table, a fancy ottoman, and a thick area rug. The furniture is arranged in a circular layout that creates a comfortable and inviting sitting area. The result is a small corner living room that is stylish and Let's end our presentation with this small living room, a chic and cozy space that features white walls and gorgeous hardwood floor throughout. The large windows and glass sliding door let in plenty of natural light and offer a view of the beautifully furnished balcony. The transparent drapes and long charcoal color curtains add a touch of sophistication and contrast. The furniture include a three-seater sofa, a large rectangular ottoman, an oval coffee table, a floor-standing shelving system, and a floor-standing modern lamp. The furniture is arranged in symmetrical layout that creates a balanced and harmonious look. The decorative accessories consist of a large modern painting, different small items, books, and small potted plants. The accessories add color, textures, and personality to the room. The result is another small living room that is stylish and comfortable. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching and learned some new design ideas for your small living room. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos on modern city living and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!